students, let us start our exercise 2D with the help of formulas we have studied for growth and depreciation. Now I am taking exercise 2D question number 2. The population of a town increases by 20% every year. If its present population is 2,16,000, find its population after 2 years and 2 years ago. So here students, the present population is given 2,16,000 and the rate is increases. The word increases means we'll take formula with plus sign and the rate is 20%. Now here we have to find two populations after 2 years and the other is 2 years ago. So let us start with our solution. That first of all I write rate 20%, then present value is 2,16,000 and time is 2 years. Now I place my formula here, that is V is equal to V0 1 plus R upon 100 power n. Now V0 means our present value is V0, that we will place here as 2,16,000. So 1 plus 20 upon 100, that is our rate, power 2 after 2 years, that is why. Now cancellation, 0 0 cut and then 2 5s are 10. So now taking LCM in the bracket, I get 5 plus 1, 6 by 5 whole square. So 2,16,000 into 6 by 5 into 6 by 5. With 5, if we cancel 5 5s are 25, 4s are 100. Like that cancelled, and then I get 8,640 into 36. So value is equal to 3,11,040. That is the value after 2 years. Now we find value before 2 years ago. For that we take our V value, that is the present value, as V, and the 2 years ago value we get as V0. So next you see, same as upside, we get 6 by 5 whole square. Now to get V0 value, I take that 5 upside on the other side and 6 downside, and it is having square. So we write 2,16,000 into 5 by 6 into 5 by 6. Now by cancellation, 6 6 are 36, 6 are 216, and then 25 6 are 150,000, that is 1,50,000 is our answer. Now question number 3. The machinery of a certain factory is valued at rupees 18,400 at the end of 1980. If it is supposed to depreciate each year at 8% of the value at the beginning of the year, calculate the value of the machine at the end of 1979 and 1981. Means here the value is given 18,400 in 1980. That is our present value, and the word depreciate means it is decreasing at the rate of 8%, and we want to find two values. One is in the 1979 and one is in 1981. Here students, they have not given time exactly but in the form of year, means you are given present value in 1980, so you have to find your value 1 year before and 1 year after, that is in 1979 and 1981. So let us start. We have to write everything. V value is 18,400, depreciation rate is 8%. Now depreciate word comes means we will put our formula with minus sign. That is why V is equal to V0 1 minus R upon 100 power n, and we put our value as present value 18,400. 1 minus 8 by 100, cancellation, 4 2s are 4, 25s are, and then we take minus, so that 25 minus 2 I get 23 by 25. Now you see 18,400 into 23 upon 25, I cancelled with 25, 4s are 2 zeros I cancelled. So now multiply 185 4s into 23, I get 1981 value 16,928. Now for another, I will put again the same formula, but the values we keep is different. Here now I want value that is before 1979 value I want. So I place my value V as 18,400. and I will find V0 value. All the rate, that is rate is 8 same. 1 minus 8 by 100, 4 2s and 4 25s. 25 minus 2, 23 by 25. And now V0 we get by 25 in cross upside and 23 downside. 23 8s are 184 cancelled, and then multiplication 25 8s are 200 and two more zeros, that is why V value we found is 20,000, that is in year 1979. So here you can see students, we have to use our value in that way so that we get value 1 year before and 1 year after. Okay, so whenever the question you read, you have to decide by yourself where we will put the value, means where you have to place your value, at the place of V or V0, that is your way to think. Okay, because V0 is the present and V is the after 2 years. Now move on to next question 5. A new car is purchased for rupees 2,50,000. Its value depreciate at the rate of 10% in the first year, 8% in second year, and then 6% every year. Find its value after 4 years. Means the time period is 4 years. The value of car is 2,50,000 and they have given successive rate, depreciation rate. Okay, means subtraction. Then 10% first year, 8% second year, and then 6% every year. Means third year and fourth year will be 6% depreciation. Here they have not given particularly that third year will be 6 and fourth year will be 6, but it is given every year 6% and time period is 4. So you have to understand. Let us move to the solution. Here we write value of car, then depreciation rates R1, R2, R3 and R4. You can see R3, R4 is same, 6 and 6%. Now I place my formula for the successive rate. V is equal to V0, 1 minus R1 upon 100, 1 minus R2 upon 100, 1 minus R3 upon 100 and 1 minus R4 upon 100, and placing my values accordingly. As you can see, R1 10, R2 8, R3 6 and R4 also 6. So you can write square 1 minus 6 by 100 square. Okay, so now I kept my values and cancellation in the bracket. 0 0 cancelled in the first bracket, second bracket 4 2s and 4 25s, and third bracket 3 2s and 52s. Okay, and then subtraction. So 10 minus 1 9 by 10, 25 minus 2 23 by 25, and 50 minus 3 47 by 50 into 47 by 52 times. Why? Because you can see I kept their square on the bracket because it comes 2 times. Now whatever we can take cancellation, you can see 3 zeros get cancelled in the denominator. By 5 I take cancellation also, and by 25 also. So now I left with 18 into 23 into 47 into 47 upon 5. You have to calculate in the numerator multiplication and divide it by 5. So we get 1,82,905.20. Because there is 5 in the denominator, we get the answer in point. Now let us move on to next question, students. That is question number 8. The value of a flat worth rupees 5 lakh is depreciating at the rate of 10% per annum. In how many years will its value be reduced to rupees 3,64,500? Okay, so here in this question, value of flat is 5 lakh, and word depreciate means it will decrease at the rate of 10%, and it is given that in how many years the value will reduce to, means the reduced value is 3,64,500, but in how long, means time period we have to find here, that in how many years this much it will be reduced. So now solution, I write V is equal to rupees 5 lakh, depreciate rate is 10%, and reduced value I wrote 3,64,500, and I want to find time period. So here I place my formula V reduced is equal to V1 minus R by 100 power n. Whenever it is depreciate value, we have to put formula with minus sign and appreciate plus sign. Now place the value, that reduced one we will keep as V, and the value of flat will we keep as V0, and then 1 minus 10 by 100, 1 cancel, 10 minus 1 is 9 by 10 power n. Now 3,64,500 upon 5 lakh is equal to 9 by 10 power n. Now 2 get cancelled, and then I cut both of them upside down by 5 because they are the multiple of 5. You can see 3,645 and 5,000. So cut them with 5. So I get 729 in the numerator and denominator 1000. Now you have to think that whether 729 and thousands are whose cubes, because you can see 1000 is a cube number. So now I wrote 9 by 10 cube because that 729 upon 1000 they are the cubes of 9 by 10 cube, and then if the base are similar we compare the powers. So here n is equal to 3 years, means our time period n they asked to find is 3 years. In 3 years time it will depreciate. Okay, now for next question I have taken question number 9. Rachit bought a flat for rupees 10 lakh and a car for rupees 3 lakh 20,000 at the same time. The price of the flat appreciates uniformly at the rate of 20% per annum, while the price of the car depreciates at the rate of 15% per annum. If Rachit sells the flat and car after 3 years, what will be his profit or loss? Means here in this question, cost price of flat and cost price of car given to you, 10 lakh and 3 lakh 20,000. Also you are given that they are appreciates uniformly, means they are increasing at the rate of 20%. Both of them, flat and car, is depreciated. Also here you are given flat appreciate at the rate of 20% and car depreciate, means decreasing rate at the rate of 15%. So after 3 years, means time period is given 3 years, we have to find whether the person has profit or loss in this transaction. So flat value is rupees 10 lakh, car value is rupees 3 lakh 20,000, and rate of appreciate of flat and car depreciate given here, and time 3 years which is written here. Now we solve for flat first, that is value is equal to value, that is present value 1 plus r upon 100. Now you see flat is appreciated at the rate of 20%, so r value is 20 upon 100, and after 3 years we want how much it is appreciated. So now 0 cancel, and 2 5s are 10, in the bracket 5 plus 1 6 by 5. Now that is cube on the bracket, so we write 6 by 5 6 by 5 6 by 5 3 times, and 5 3 times get cancelled with 8,000 in the numerator. You can see because 3 times 5 is 125 and 10 lakh cancelled. Okay, so after calculation we get our value of flat after 3 years is 17 lakh 28,000. Now you see for car we have given it is depreciated at the rate of 15%. So we have to put the according formula here, minus sign, and place r value 15 upon 100 and get cancellation, that is 3 and denominator 20. So 20 minus 3, 17 by 20, 17 by 20, 17 by 20 3 times. Why? Because there is cube. Now 3 zeros get cancelled, and that 2 twos are 4, that 2 also get cancelled, 20s 2 also get cancelled with 320, 8 fours are, like that we have cancelled. So I get value 1,96,520 after 3 years. Now it is asked that whether we get profit or loss at the end of 3 years. So we have to first find total CP. Total CP, that is CP of flat plus CP of car. So that is beginning value of flat 10 lakh and car is 3 lakh 20,000. Adding them we get 13 lakh 20,000 our CP. Now we find our total SP. The total SP is SP of flat plus SP of car. So that is 17 lakh 28,000 plus 1 lakh 96,520. So that total we get 19 lakh 24,520 rupees. So this way you can find your total CP and total SP. Now you have to think which is the greater value, whether SP or CP. You all know that profit is when SP is greater than CP. So here in our case also SP is greater than CP. So we will have profit in this case. So we will put our profit formula. Profit formula is SP minus CP. In this formula we place our values and then take subtraction. You can see 19 lakh 24,520 minus 13 lakh 20,000. The value we get is 6 lakh 4,520 all over. In this case we get profit. Okay, now move on to next question. Question number 10. It is here 8,000 workers were employed by a company to complete a job in 4 years. Means time period 4 years and number of workers here 8,000. At the end of first year, 5% of the workers were retrenched. Meaning of retrench is decrease or just uh, become small. So here 5% workers are removed from the company. At the end of second year, 5% of those working at that time were retrenched. Means again 5% also removed. Means cancelled. So minus. However, to complete the job in time, the number of workers was increased by 10% of those working at the end of the third year. So how many workers were working at that time after fourth year? There we have to find out. So here you see first year it is retrenched means subtraction, second year also retrenched, but in the third year it is 10% increased. Means here also we will use our formula for successive rates, but here we have to use first rate in a decreasing manner, second rate also in decreasing, but the third rate, that is 10%, will be in increased manner. So see our solution here. I have put our V0 value 8,000 present value time 3 years R1, R2, R3. So you can see whatever I have written here, 5% are retrenched means decreases and 10% is increased here. So we keep our formula here. V is equal to V0 1 minus R1 upon 100, 1 minus R2 upon 100 and 1 plus R3 upon 100. Now placing the value in it, R1 5, R2 5 and R3 10, and cancellation 520 is a 520 is a and 0 0 get cut. So I get by 20 minus 1 19 by 20, 20 minus 1 19 by 20 and 10 plus 1 11 by 10. Now you can see 3 0 get cancelled and 2 2s are 4 2s are 8. So 2 cross 19 into 19 into 11. We take multiplication of all this value to get our value after 4 years. Means V is equal to 7,942, which value is during the fourth year how many workers are working in the company. So this is our final answer.